Welcome again to our Digital Innovation and Print Incorporated Database System demo video part 2. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the home screen, the various navigation buttons and their functions. So firstly, we'll talk about this first button where you have save and exit. So this button is to save and exit, meaning if you have finished doing all of your updating and other work on your database system, if you want to exit your system, you can just click this save and exit button. Then what you do there, your new stuff you have added to the system, your new record you have added to the system will be saved and your system is going to close. So this next button is the hide tools, the Excel work tools in this system. So if you want to hide the Excel work tools in this system, just click on hide, it's going to hide. But if you want to show the Excel work tools, just click on show and Excel work tools is going to show. So the next one is the about button. If you want to read about the system, just click the about button. You're going to read about the developer. You're going to get the information about the developer, and you're going to read what the system is all about. So this is the last record in the year 2023, December. We only added it there because the system was built in December. That's why we added December record to it. But actually, this system was built mainly for the year 2024 for sales tracking. So these are the various months for the sale tracking. So if you want to know your sale tracking in January, you can just click on this January button. It's going to take you to your monthly sale tracking for the month of January, February, March, April, May, June, all the way to December. And this side is the income. If you want to know your total income for the day, the week, the month, and the year, just click on here. You're going to get your total income. And this is the expenditure. If you want to know your expenditure per day and your expenditure per week and your expenditure per month and your expenditure per year, you can click this one. It's going to take you to your expenditure data sheet. You're going to calculate all of your expenditure from the day, the week, the month, and the year. So the year is the receipt, the official receipt. If you want to issue any customer receipt, you can click on this one. It's going to take you to the receipt data sheet where you're going to put in your details and print it out from there. So here is the invoice. If someone comes for invoice at your business place, you can just click on this. It's going to take you to the invoice data sheet and you're going to put in the necessary information that need to be and just print it out from there. And here is the customer database. This customer database is for customer that buy at your place or customer that transact to your place. So all of that records will be here. When they came and what they did there, all of that information, how many times it came at your place to transact business, a telephone number, an email, a location, a name, and you will even attach customer ID to each of them. So here will be place to get all of the customer records. So here is a staff record. So those that will be working in this business, whether it's 4, 5, 10, 200 or 1,000 workers, all of that record will be right here. The name, the ID number, the staff ID, the picture, all of them. So if you want to track any one of them, you just put in a staff ID, you're going to search for them, and all of that information is going to appear. you're going to get them very fast. So that is it for our database